Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. I am here with a quick Dollar Tree haul. I think it's going to be a quick one. I don't have that much stuff, but I did find some cute new items when I was out last weekend that I wanted to share with you. It's just I've been filming a bunch of other videos and I'm now just getting to this. So let's get started. Some of this stuff isn't new though. I needed some rubber bands. So you might have seen I might have been a project share video. I had shown you guys that I was like playing around with dyeing seam binding, and in order to get it crinkled, I was putting it in plastic bags and putting my hair ties, I'll show you, around it to kind of hold it closed, but that wasn't working that well. Look, I have a whole pile of them here that I was using, but it wasn't working that well, and I think it's because they've got that coating on them. So found these at the Dollar Tree. Rubber bands always come in handy, so I got a pack of those. Then they had some really pretty boxes out, spring boxes, and I thought that was gorgeous with the butterfly. I thought this would be really nice to send in like some happy mail. Like, you don't even have to do anything to it. You don't even have to alter it. It's so beautiful. You can send it in happy mail, or you can send your projects in it when you're doing swaps to protect them from getting like crushed on the way, like maybe put your embellishments in them. So I got two. I got the butterfly one, and then I got this pretty flower one. So there's those. Let me put those up so you can have a nice view. Oh, I didn't even realize this one's a little bit bigger than the other one. Then I found these super cute makeup bags. One says Shine, Smile, and Yay. Then I found these at the register, and I could not pass them up. They are so cute. They're just lazy little sloths laying on rainbows. They're straws. And then the other side is unicorns. You guys would swear that I love unicorns with as much unicorn stuff as I buy. I like them, but I just get them because I know a lot of people like unicorns, and there's usually like at least one unicorn swap going on at all times, so that's why I buy so much unicorn stuff. But I do like them. And then I got two more of these at the Crafter Square. So I got a blue craft storage box, and I got a pink one. Then I got these flowers. Well, are they flowers? But I just think they're so pretty. And the reason why I got them was because I wanted to pick these off and put them in the middle of flowers, which I already did. So I made this flower from the Coco and Reno. Why do I keep calling it Coco and Row? Is it Coco and Reno? I have their subscription, and this is like from the rolled flowers, which I need to work on doing better because you can see how I've got that bend in it. But I just wanted to put them, it's weird, like when you fold these up, if you do them too tight, they don't look that good. They look better if they're looser, but if they're looser, there's like a big gaping hole. And so I stuck that in it, and I thought that looked really pretty. So I got those in a couple of different colors, but I picked up more of the pink ones. Then I found this really cute tape dispenser. It's a flamingo. I thought that was so adorable. So I got that. Put that back there. Then I also found a unicorn one, a purple unicorn one. And I got these really cute mermaid plates, and I got them for my craft room because I'm always using our paper plates in the house to, like, whether I'm painting wood or whatever. I just thought these would be cute to like put things on to dry or paint things on, you know. I just thought they were cute. So I got those. And I got more of these. And what is this? I got this frozen bath towel. So it expands in water. So I wanted to see what it looked like because I love the movie Frozen. So I got that for fun. And then I got this lace. I think this is over in the floral section. And let's see. Oh, I got this really cute hand sanitizer. It's a mermaid. I thought she was so cute. And then they had some really cute pens at one of the Dollar Trees that I went to. So they had this really cute rainbow narwhal on a holo pen. And then I also found a mermaid one made of sequins with green holo. And let's see what else. I think that's it, guys. Yeah, that's everything I got. Oh wait, I lied. I always do that. They had a couple more. They had 3 more of those coasters. So I was like, ooh, I'm getting those before they're all gone. Okay, and so that's it. That's everything I got at the Dollar Tree. I am going there later today. And I might also go to a new Japanese dollar store that opened near us. If I do, I will definitely do some hauls on both places and show you what I got. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.